Hi guys, may narinig ako isang preaching and nung narinig ko yun talaga, napasabi na ako, OMG, I am living my life full of deceptions and lies from the enemy. Sabi niya doon, unless na alam mo na ikaw ay deceived, hindi ka makakalaya sa deception. Para bang unless you realize, recognize, it's not God that's giving sickness, the lack of confidence, that security, that weaknesses, challenges that you have, hindi ka talaga makakalaya sa mga bagay na yun. So those generational curses and generational trauma, hindi yun ang galing ng Lord. Nag-upload ako ng video sa YouTube. By the way, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Pangalan ay Divine Grace Aranya. So check it out now. Comment doon kasi about yun sa generational curses and trauma. And ang sabi niya doon, parang wala tayong magagawa or hindi tayo makaka-escape doon sa mga curses and trauma na napapas sa atin through our parents, through our grandparents and all. No, I don't believe in that. Nag-respond ako doon ng mga words of encouragement, comes from the Bible. You can be free. It's only the deception of the enemies that keeps us believing na wala nang mababago sa atin, na hindi na tayo magkakaroon ng magandang buhay, na habang buhay na lang tayo dito kung nasaan tayo ngayon, na hindi na tayo personally magbabago, di ba? Naniniwala tayo na kung ano na tayo, yun na tayo, natanggapin na lang tayo ng mga tao na sa paligid natin. But no, we can change for the better, we can achieve life that beyond of what we are right now. Kasi sabi sa Bible, the Bible does not lie. It says there, no eye has seen, nor ear has heard, no hearts imagine what God has prepared for those who love. Hindi pa natin nakikita, hindi pa natin naririnig, hindi pa pumapasok sa isip at puso natin yung mga magagandang bagay na pinrepare ni Lord is nakaprepare na talaga siya for us, for those who love Him. Because we cannot measure the knowledge and power of God. We cannot measure how vast, how big, diba? How deep yung kaya ni Lord gawin sa buhay natin. So, believe it or not, life can change if you let God transform it. Don't far from Him. Instead, run towards Him. He can change the most simple person you know. Paano ka pa? Nasa kabilang screen na nanonood. Go and chase after God. He is your master. He is your creator. And that hole in your heart na never na-satisfy ng mga tao dito sa mundo, ng mga material na bagay dito sa mundo, ng position dito sa mundo, ng power dito sa mundo, go to God. That vacuum shape in your heart will fully satisfy once na na-meet na niya yung creator niya. So yeah, don't believe in the lies of the enemy, but speak what the word of God is saying. Yun lang, stay blessed.